Welcome to Fiduks Industrial Services tour of its repair and rental facility. We're an ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System organization. We offer a complete line of rental tools, from hydrostatic test pumps, reciprocating saws, portaband saws, to half-inch through 3.5-inch drive air impact tools, air grinders, air drills, scalers, and chippers. Here is an example of larger rental impacts. Also available is stud removal tooling. We offer hydraulic cylinders from 10 to 100 ton, and a complete line of hydraulic hand and electric pumps in our rental fleet. Fiduks Industrial Services also rents manual chain and air hoists from quarter-ton up to 12-ton capacity with lift up to 60 feet. Here you are seeing the manual chain hoists and come-alongs we have in our rental fleet. Beam clamps and trolleys from half-ton to 5-ton. Submersible pumps, both diaphragm and centrifugal. Copus air blowers. As well as air horns. Air tuggers from 1,000 to 4,000 line pull are available in our rental fleet. This is our shipping and receiving area. Shipments of new, repaired, and rental tools are made throughout New England and the Mid-Atlantic region. Fiduks has a complete inventory of demo tools. Our tour now begins as part of the repair facility. Shown here are cabinets full of replacement parts for repair. At this workbench, we see a technician starting to work on a hydraulic cylinder. Once the cylinder is repaired, it is pressure tested up to 10,000 psi to make sure it will hold load. Post-repair, this cylinder is holding its designed load. We also repair pneumatic construction tools. Now our technician is repairing a pneumatic digger. Here he is shown testing a tamper after repair. Another technician is doing a repair on a grinder. Then tacking the grinder to make sure it is not overspeeding and is running to the manufacturer's RPM specification. Shown here is a grinder test report that is given with all grinder repairs. Another part of our business is air impact tool repair. Here you see a technician repairing an air impact gun. When an impact repair is complete, the tool is tested on an ISO certified Skidmore to check for bolt tension, to make sure the tool is hitting the correct torque range. We perform the same rigorous testing when rental tools are returned before they are placed back into inventory. Here, after a repair, a technician is testing an Atlas Copco LTP51 nut runner with a stall bar, confirming consistent torque with the ACTA and transducer setup shown here. Fiduks Industrial does hoist repair, test, and certification of manual, electric, and air hoists. Now we see a 2-ton Harrington hoist hanging from the test stand for testing and certification. We check all limits, safety devices, and inspect to confirm no worn links or bare wires. Brake hold is tested under load to confirm no smoking and that the motor is still running cool. The chain is run all the way through to test upper limit switch and, if equipped, the lower limit switch. If dead link equipped for lower limit, we test slip clutch operation. Finally, the hoist is tested to 125% capacity. This hoist passes load test and certification once cosmetic chain bag and motor cage are replaced. Here are manual hoists in for repair. Once repaired, we see a technician load testing a manual hoist, again to 125% capacity. All our load cells and gauges are calibrated in compliance with our ISO 9001-2008 certification. Displayed here is a copy of the load test repair and certification sheet. The second floor is where you'll find our offices. These are some of our repair manuals for assorted manufacturers' tooling. Now we head towards our clean room where DC electric tools are repaired and certified. First we see our conference room where we have sales meetings and training seminars. The clean room tour starts at the workbench, where the disassembly of tools take place. On this bench, we lock up test joints in a vise, testing torque in newton meters or foot-pounds. Controllers are on the wall to operate various DC electric tools. Below is an active torque analyzer, an ID rewriter, and a torque reaction assistant. Here we see tools ready to be worked on or refurbished. This cabinet holds customer tools disassembled, awaiting estimation, then repair. Above we have refurbished tools used as loaners or for rental.